Meaning of fusion.
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 Fusion. Fusion refers to the process of combining two or more things into a single entity. In scientific terms, it often refers to nuclear fusion, which is the process of combining atomic nuclei to form heavier elements, releasing a large amount of energy. In a broader context, fusion can also refer to the combination of different styles, cultures, or ideas to create something new and innovative. The result of fusion can lead to increased efficiency, greater strength, and heightened creativity. Overall, fusion is a powerful concept that can drive progress and change in a variety of fields.